And here we have another very rare rose. It is Exciting M or Exciting Meilland, produced by Meilland in 2009. And it has a very red, lovely color. And at the center, as you can see, it has this green heart. And if everything goes well, this green heart will keep growing and new flowers appear from it. It is very, very interesting and such a rare thing to find such a rose. So I'm going to film it a couple of days later. Hopefully the center will deliver more flowers. And it has a little bit tiny thorns and by now healthy leaves. So this flower is still small, but yes, you can see here at the center that probably it's going to bloom again. So what was so special about this flower is that it's considered to have like a forever life, from the fact that from this outer flower it continues to grow up and have more flowers coming up. So I'm really happy to have one of these, and we'll film it again. And you can see that it has many cute petals. And yes, you can even see the center. How nice. Yes, now you can see more clearly the center that will produce more flowers. A few days later, you can see that here it starts to grow a new rose. And then there is something going on here from the center. So this is the magic of Exciting Meilland. It's really exciting to see what it will do. Here it is 4 days later. You can see that the outer flower has faded in color and it's even becoming pink. But here at the center we have like a new rose. 2 roses, miniature roses, very cute. Actually they are supposed to grow even taller than this, to have their own flower neck and stick out even more than this. But I'm still happy with this result of this very interesting Meilland rose called Exciting Meilland. It's like a flower bouquet, like a rose bouquet on top here. And you can see that each has actually a neck. So it's really like new flowers with their own individual neck coming out. By far one of the most interesting roses in the collection. Here it is again, Exciting Meilland. You can see that the outer part is more and more shrinking and the center growing up. And we have these 2 roses, one that is coral red and one that is pink, growing here at the center. So extremely interesting. And other smaller roses also growing. And the lower part, the lower petals are falling like this, but we have new roses coming up. And let me show you the same phenomenon happening on a Japanese rose by Yagi Rose Farm Breeder. That rose is called Universe. Here is Universe, Uniberu by the Japanese company. And look that we also have a rose growing here at the center. You can clearly see the outer petals already wilting. But here there is distinctively one rose growing from the center. Such an interesting process. So I'm really happy that we can observe this, and that the rose kept blooming to this point. And here we are back to exciting Meilland, the flower that lasts a couple of months now. And you can see that down here it's wilted, but then there are other buds and other roses growing in this cluster of roses on one stem. Very, very interesting, amazing flower.